चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू,
तू मेरी आंखों का तारा है तू। जीत बस फिर
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए,
जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा।
पापा कहते हैं
बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
फूलों का तारों का
सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरे भैया है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है।
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
I love my Vinay Mamu. He is the best, the very best. And all of these songs are tribute to the different avatars of him. The son, the husband, the brother, the father and the friend.
विनय भैया, I we really love you a lot. हालांकि हमारी रोज बात नहीं होती है, मैं जानती हूँ बहुत कम बात होती है, पर the warmth, the positive vibes and जो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आता है, लगता है we really cherish, me and Poonam, Manjudi, I think we really cherish the warmth that you all give us. I am sure आप सब agree करेंगे that he is unique, one piece, an adorable son, a loving father and an incredible husband. And यारों का यार.
Today we celebrate his half century in this world. My Mamu beats even me when it comes to his social life. And believe me, I have a very happening one. At 50, a typical weekend in Mamu's life will be a morning walk with friends, then come home to spend time with his family, especially Mami, and then his social life takes him to 3, 4, 5, no, even 6 weddings.
और वो हर शादी में जाता है, प्रेम से लोगों से मिलता है, प्रेम से खाना खाता है, and he ensures कि वो औरों को भी प्रेम से खाना खिलाए. To understand Vinay Bhaiya and what makes him who he is, Twesha and I, she is Twesha, my daughter, Twesha and I went back in time to understand where does he get all this from. Of course, a lot has to do with the genes, but there's a lot that has to do with the year when he was born, 1970. Did you know where his supersonic energy to be a social animal comes from? Of course, मम्मी का तो फुर्ती and स्फूर्ति and पापा का genes तो है ही, but it has to do with the year he was born, 1970. The supersonic jet Concorde took first flight in 1970, and with it, supersonic Vinay Bhaiya इस दुनिया में आए, Concorde की तरह और Concorde के साथ. And he brought with him a new definition of the word responsibility. We all know that he is one of the most responsible persons of Rathi family. We think so. And with it, responsibility was introduced in this world. Guess, in which year? 1970. How? They reduced the age of voting to 18 and make young adults demonstrate their responsibility by voting.
My Mamu is bindas. He loves to live and let live. He is differently special to each one of us, and he gets this attitude from the Beatles single that launched in 1970. Guess which one? Let It Be.
Let it be?
Continue.
Okay, fine. So there's a Beatles ka very famous song, Let It Be, Let It Be, Let It Be, Let It Be. So there's a very popular song by the Beatles, which was थिंक अबाउट विनय भैया एंड हिज पर्सनैलिटी. अपनी आंखें बंद करिए. अब विनय भैया के बारे में सोचिए. उनका स्माइलिंग चेहरा आपके सामने आएगा. ही इज ऑल ब्राइट एंड ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग. अरे ये खुश मिजाज पर्सनैलिटी का जिम्मेदार कौन? 1970 का फैशन. बेल बॉटम ब्राइट पैंट्स, happy and fun-filled frayed jeans, maxi dress and satin shirts. It immediately brings a smile to your face. And so does Vinay Bhaiya. There's something so soothing about him कि उनको देखते ही आपको खुशी महसूस होती है. I hope होती होगी आप लोगों को खुशी महसूस. 1970 was all about fun and frolicking, much like my bhaiya. We love you, Vinay Bhaiya.
My Mamu is not just fun-loving, but he's the most peaceful one. Just after he was born, something happened in India that brought peace. After several wars with China and Pakistan, post-independence, India encountered its tryst with peace. And guess which year? 1970. The year when Mamu was born. नरेंद्र मोदी जी, मामू को बुलाइए. NRC और CA को छोड़िए, उनको बुलाइए, उनसे कुछ सीखिए.
Bhaiya and his love for films. I know a lot of this he gets from Papa and Mummy. ये मैंने सुना है कि एवरी फ्राइडे पापा मम्मी के लिए साड़ी लेके आते थे, सैटरडे को फॉल पिको के लिए जाता था और संडे पापा मम्मी मूवी देखने जाते थे, मम्मी वेयरिंग दैट न्यू साड़ी. सो दिस लव फॉर फिल्म्स for many years is continued every Friday. So So भैया का मूवीज का पैशन घर के अलावा 1970 से मिला. 1970s was the era Bollywood made it not just big and memorable, but melodies and evergreen. It changed Bollywood forever. Much like Bhaiya, who changed our lives forever too. Just hear the names of the movies and you will know why. If you were born in 1970, there is no way you cannot love movies. The movies were
मेरा नाम जोकर, सफर, पूरब और पश्चिम, जॉनी मेरा नाम, खिलौना, आन बिलो सजना, हम जोली, गीत, ही रांझा, सावन भादो and many more.
These were the some movies that
Vinay, सुनो, my mommy keeps calling my mamu and my mamu says, जब से शादी हुई है तब से तो सुनता आ रहा हूँ.
My bhaiya bhabhi relationship is full of hazard jawabi and khatta meetha. You cannot but just laugh when they are around, pulling each other's legs and making the most of each other's lives. And this love for bhabhi was something he was born with. In 1970, just think of the love songs that made my bhaiya a romantic at heart of the 1970s. तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना, पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले.
एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई.
बचना है हसीनों, लो मैं आ गया.
ढल गया दिन, हो गई शाम, जाने एक मैं और एक तू,
दोनों मिले इस तरह. It was the fun side
of Mamu. My Mamu is also very religious. I kept asking mom why he was so religious, and then it hit me. One of the biggest blockbusters was released when my Mamu was born. You guessed it right.
Can you guess? One of
Exactly.
And moving on to my भैया's पहला सीधा साधा प्यार, पहला नशा, पहला प्यार. मैंने Who's your पहला प्यार? Any guesses? नहीं, भाभी नहीं है उनका पहला प्यार. Food. Okay, so it's food and this comes from 1970. Just think of the foods that became a rage in 1970 and changed the world of eating.
Cheese balls, pasta, hamburger, black forest cake, fondues, and to celebrate Mamu's birth, even Haldiram tribute देने के लिए भुजिया का प्लांट लगाया जयपुर में 1970 को.
Bhaiya and his love for cricket. There would have hardly been any interesting game of cricket that he would not have watched. And where does this love come from? Again, 1970. They say 1970 changed the perception of Indian cricket, which later led to India winning the first World Cup. In 1983, in 1970, India toured a very difficult tour of West Indies against a pace bowling attack that few can imagine. And guess what? Against all odds, India beat the Windies that series 1-0 in the 5-match series. Sunil Gavaskar scored most runs and ensured Bhaiya remains a cricket lover forever. And not just that, Bhaiya, another person, took birth in 1970. To ensure you're nothing like him. Guess. We don't want that you're like him. Any guesses? 1970, somebody was born and we don't want Winabha to be like him. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi was also born in the year 1970.
50th is also called Golden Jubilee, and that's what my mamu is. 24 karat gold. Gold to his parents, golden-hearted friend, a pure gold brother, a gold-plated husband, and my gold mamu. And he is worth all the gold for Rishabh Bhaiya and Rishika Di.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो हैं तैयार हम हैं तैयार हम एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम
Hello and welcome to Coffee with Karan. Today's show is very special, not just because my guest tonight on Coffee with Karan is indeed very special. Normally, we would have one host and two guests. For the first time on Coffee with Karan, today we have two hosts and one guest. First, I introduce my co-host, my wife and my best friend, Anu. Now to our guest.
It's not very often that we invite only one person on the show. It's only happened once with Aamir Khan. Our personality today is no less than Aamir Khan. He is the Aamir Khan of our family. Aamir is a director, actor, producer, musician, show host and a philanthropist. But a perfectionist at heart. My guest is also an all-rounder, a brilliant and respectful son, an able and honest businessman, a friend indeed and in need, a brother who cares, a father who not just dotes his children.
And all of us have a certain experience and impression of you, for that one role you play in their respective lives. Take us through your early childhood, your school days, what kind of a child were you? उन बीते हुए सालों की कुछ यादें।
ऑप्शंस
यादें आपकी हैं।
फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, व्हाटएवर यू मैं बदमाश था ही नहीं। I was one of the most obedient student of the and almost 99% attendance always. Yes, 100%. Even in St. Xavier's College. Even in St. Xavier's College, सुबह 6 बजे का कॉलेज होता था and I used to be there at 6:03 क्योंकि 6:05 में अटेंडेंस चला जाता था।
Okay. How was your transition from schoolboy into a college goer? Was there a major transformation? Our family is orthodox and you would have entered college around 1985. India was changing a lot. Disco was in. Romance was in. Relationships and girlfriends were the in thing. How was your college life?
It was fantastic.
Did you know by then what you wanted to do? What was life in the house and out of the house?
In house, my life was very simple, but like from school to college, there was one transition point, my computer class. I used to go in Central Plaza, informatics computer system. I was a very shy character. But that was the period where I shy tha, because I started approaching, I started talking with girls. And that transition happened, my self-confidence grew. So that was a real transition for me, the computer class.
Wonderful.
Where I started making lot of friends.
Great.
Yes, because पहले ऐसा होता था कि कॉलेज में अगर सड़क पे कोई लड़की जा रही मैं ऑपोजिट फुट पे चला जाता था. I was that shy, and that was the real transition period.
That was probably the better choice on the opposite foot.
Okay, so let us invite some of Vinay Bhaiya's closest friends and speak to them about Vinay Bhaiya. So I go to the G8 group. That is why मैंने पूछा था.
He sings song very beautifully, very much in rhythm.
There's nothing new about it. He's Maheshwari.
So Vinay Bhaiya, we'll have a song from you at the end. Okay, you better.
Remember one.
नहीं, आई थिंक सबको ये मालूम होगा कि इसको गाड़ी तेज चलाने का बहुत शौक है. अगर और अभी कुछ दिन पहले की घटना घटी है जहां ये कुछ सोच नहीं सकता है कि ये गाड़ी चला रहा है, बाकी सारी गाड़ियां इससे ओवरटेक करते हुए जा रही हैं. उस दिन इसके पसीने छूट रहे थे गाड़ी चलाते हुए.
Vinay Bhaiya, they say who you are is a function of your past, your family and the values. What are your first impressions of mummy papa and their importance in your life?
बहुत ज़्यादा है. My papa was always my hero. So जितना भी मैंने जो सीखा है सोशलाइजिंग या फिर लोगों के साथ हंस मिलजुल के रहना, ये सब उनकी देन है. He was such a fellow जो आज भी सोसाइटी में मैं उनके बराबर भी नहीं आ सकता हूँ. जितना नाम उन्होंने किया है, I am way behind. I want to idolize him. I want to try to reach near him.
Wonderful. Great. From a son, you are today a father. When you look at your relationship as a son and as a father, how much of the relationship is common today and how much is uncommon?
I think parenting has changed. पहले मैं अगर रात को कहीं पार्टी में चला जाता था और जब तक मैं घर नहीं पहुंचता था, my dad was awake. He used to walk up and down till the time I reach home. और आजकल बेटा हमारा बाहर जाता है तो मैं तो सो जाता हूँ.
And you have a fairly big family, cousins, भाई लोग, बहनें, and Pinky Di and Anu. सबके साथ के कुछ brilliant moments share करें.
I think time spent with each and everyone is special.
कुछ brilliant moments.
मैं बचपन से जब छोटा से बड़ा हुआ, I used to be like thrashed a lot by my mom. But when she used to do the same thing for Poonam and Anu, I was always in the same way.
Very good.
Let us now invite Mummy, Pintu Di, Saroj Di, Manju Di, Basant Bhaiya, Bhaiya Ji to say something about Vinay Bhaiya. Mummy, कैसे बेटे थे विनय भैया?
आज मेरे प्यारे बेटे विनय का 50वां जन्म दिवस है. अपने बेटे के बारे में कुछ कहने का आग्रह किया गया था. अन्यास ही उसके जन्म के बाद से लेकर अब तक के सारे अनुभव, यादें एक चलचित्र के समान एक ही क्षण में मेरे सामने आने लगा. बचपन से आज तक वही स्वभाव, वही गंभीरता, वही सरलता, वही सहजता तथा परिवार के प्रति प्रेम, आदर एवं जिम्मेदारी भाव वैसे ही भरा हुआ है. अपने पापा से सीखा है कि समाज, परिवार और दोस्ती में कैसे एक विशेष स्थान बनाना है और वही बड़ी ही कुशलता से बनाया भी है. अपने कार्य क्षेत्र में समझदारी, कुशलता और अथक मेहनत के सोपान बनाना भी अपने पापा के पद चिन्हों पे चलकर सीखा एवं हासिल भी किया है. उनके अचानक चले जाने के बाद संपूर्ण समझदारी से परिवार एवं व्यापार की जिम्मेदारी इसने अपने कंधों पर बखूबी ली है. अपनी बहनों को पापा की कमी भी महसूस नहीं होने दी। उसी प्रकार ऋषभ एवं ऋषिका को दादा का प्यार तथा स्नेह भी दिया है। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं अंतःकरण से उसे बधाई देती हूँ कि तुम दिन रात उन्नति करो और सब खुशी तुम्हें हासिल हो। मेरा आशीर्वाद हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है और लोगों से कह सकूं मैं विनय की माँ हूँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे विनय, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
भैया जी 2 शब्द विनय भैया के लिए।
तेरे को पाने के लिए पूरा एक वनवास भोगा है मैंने। आई एम 64, यू आर 50 नाउ, तो 14 साल का वनवास मैंने वेट किया है तेरे लिए। कहाँ से बोलूँ कहाँ तक बोलूँ मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ। सागर की गहराई नहीं नाप सकता, आकाश की ऊंचाई नहीं देख सकता। तुम वहां पहुंचो ताकि लोगों की गर्दन उठे देखने के लिए, झुके नहीं देखने।
First of all, happy birthday Vinay and wish you more success and good health in the coming years. I would say कि Vinay, we are like first friends. हम लोग cousins थे and almost same age, same class में रहते थे हम लोग, and we were friends. And Vinay, as you know, was a big sport enthusiast and I was a big time bookworm. So he used to pull me out of my corner and सारे गेम्स खेलना उसके साथ जरूरी हो जाता था। इतना पेस्टर करता था, बिलीव मी, उसके साथ हम लोग कंचे से लेके क्रिकेट सब खेले। एंड जैसे जैसे बड़ा होता गया ही बिकेम वेरी समझदार, सोबर, या ही वाज कॉन्फिडेंट। हम लोग दूसरे के कॉन्फिडेंस भी थे, फ्रेंड्स थे। दैट्स इट।
A message from Pinky Di, Poonam Di, is also sent. उन्होंने भी एक मैसेज रिकॉर्ड किया है, बिकॉज कुछ कारणों से वहाँ नहीं सकी, तो I'll just play that message.
Hello everyone, Jai Shri Krishna, Pranam. First of all, Vinay bhaiya, a very happy 50th birthday. May you experience endless moments of fun, joy, beauty and happiness today and every day. अनु का फ़ोन आया और वो बोली कि पिंकी दी कुछ तुम रिकॉर्ड करके विनय भैया के लिए भेजो, तो एंड मेक इट शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट। तो मैं बोली कि शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट विनय भैया के लिए बहुत कम है, तो विनय भैया एक छोटे सा नजराना मेरी तरफ से तुम्हारे लिए। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू नो यू मीन द वर्ल्ड टू अस। ओनली हार्ट एज डियर एज योर्स वुड गिव सो अनसेल्फिशली। द मैनी थिंग्स you've done, all the times that you were there, helps me know deep down inside how much you really care. Feel blessed to have a brother like you. विनय भैया, हैप्पी बर्थडे। एक छोटा सा आशीर्वाद गाना तुम्हारे लिए। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्म ज्ञान की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्म ज्ञान की, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तू है सुंदर फूल इस संसार की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर भाई। हैव अ ग्रेट ग्रेट एंड ऑसमेस्ट ईयर अहेड भाई। स्टे ब्लेस्ड ऑलवेज। Bye.
A very beautiful message from Pinky Di. An elder brother, elder protective brother or a friend.
An elder protective brother.
What was having him around? Share your most precious memory of Vinay Bhaiya.
There are so many memories, Vinay Bhaiya, with you, which I probably will not be able to, point out also. पर एक तो छोटा सा है कि एग्ज़ाम्स के टाइम पे मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हो जाती थी पढ़ाई को लेके, मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो जाता था। पर एक एग्ज़ाम में विनय भैया देखा कि मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ, आई डोंट नो तुमको याद भी है कि नहीं, पर वो बोला कि चलो मैं लेके बैठता हूँ। तो उसने मुझे बायोलॉजी का एग्ज़ाम था नेक्स्ट डे, लाइफ साइंस जिसको हम लोग बोलते थे, एंड उसने पूरा मुझे सिलेबस कराया रात में, एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ व्हाट अ ब्रदर ही इज़। दिस इज़ जस्ट वेरी स्मॉल इंसिडेंट, बट इससे बड़ा एक इंसिडेंट मैं शेयर करना ये चाहूँगी। जब पापा का ये इलनेस हुआ था, लिवर सिरोसिस, for a sister, for a daughter to see his brother or a son so dedicated for his father, उसने पापा के लिए क्या नहीं किया उस टाइम पे। I mean, I was so happy and so थैंकफुल कि पापा मम्मी का ऐसा एक बेटा है, तो इससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात विनोबा, रियली यू आर अ टू गुड सन एंड अ वेरी गुड ब्रदर।
वेल फॉर मी, जब से पिछले 17 साल से विनय भैया को जानता हूँ, तब से मैं यही बोल सकता हूँ कि ही इज़ वेरी ओपन हार्टेड, वार्म हार्टेड, और मतलब बात करते हैं तो ऐसा कहीं एक संकोच या कहीं ऐसी गुंजाइश नहीं लगती कि बात नहीं किया जाए। इतना मज़ा आता है बात करने में कि कह नहीं सकता। सो आई कैन जस्ट से दैट ही इज़ अ मैन विद अ गोल्डन हार्ट।
इंदु जी
Almost 30 years. Yes, almost 30 years. Yes. नहीं, अचीवमेंट ऐसा नहीं। विनय के साथ में शुरू से, मेरी शादी से पहले से मतलब जानता ही हूँ, पूरी शादी के समय से। तो मेरे सामने इसकी एंगेजमेंट हुई, शादी हुई, तो एज ए फ्रेंडली, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इसके साथ में कई बार घूमने भी मैं गया हूँ बाहर में, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन, ऐसा नहीं, 2-3 बार गया, मौका मिला। तो एज ए फ्रेंड, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एक साले की तरह नहीं, इट इज़ ए गुड फ्रेंड। Yes, exactly. Not like Zia Sara. Very good.
ओके मंजू दी, तो एक सॉन्ग डेडिकेट करो विनोबा के ऊपर, सोच सकते हैं। With this I invite रंजना भाभी, भैया भाभी, किशन भैया एंड सुमन भाभी एंड दीदी जिया जी, कृष्णा दीदी एंड श्रीकांत जिया जी।
हम लोग बहुत लकी है कि गुड्डू दीदी को, रंजना को विनय जी मिले, और हम वही हम बोल सकते हैं।
No formal, absolutely friendly, and he's a very, very good soul. I tell you, he's really a very, very great soul.
Let us now put the Vinay Bhaiya on the spot. Rank your role in order of preference. A. Husband. B. Son. C. Friend. D. Son-in-law. E. A brother.
No, rank in preference. A husband, B son, C friend, D सबसे लास्ट भाभी। Okay, so first son, last husband.
She's taken for granted.
अच्छा, बीच के 3 है, friend, son-in-law and brother. Okay, so first is son, then brother, then son-in-law. No, friends, then son-in-law, and then husband. Okay. Vinibha, tell us 3 things we don't know about you.
I'm a very transparent person, so I think everyone knows everything about me.
भाभी, क्या मेरे को नहीं पता विनिभा के बारे में? Okay, fine, no problem. I will ask you later. You better tell me now. Vinibha, if you were a film star, which avatar would you like to see yourself in? Amitabh in Sholay, Shah Rukh Khan in DDLJ, Raj Kapoor in Shri 420, Ranbir Kapoor in Ye Jawani Ye Diwani, या रणवीर सिंह in Dil Dhadakne Do?
Raj Kapoor. I'm always his fan.
Okay.
Wonderful. Vinay Bhaiya, if you were a bachelor today, note, if you were, which version of these would you fantasize about? Katrina in Sheila Ki Jawani, Kareena in Fevicol Se, Zeenat Aman in Satyam Shivam Sundaram, Sunny Leone in Laila O Laila, और करिश्मा कपूर इन सरकाई लो खटिया, और एनी अदर ऑफ योर चॉइस.
My friends.
Okay, friends.
My friends know it.
Katrina, Sheila की जान. All of the above.
No one of them.
Now that's what I can ask.
Okay. If you were in a deserted island, Vinibha, if you were in a deserted island, who would be the person you would want to be stranded with? It cannot be Ranjana Bhabhi for sure. Say.
Madhuri Dixit.
Madhuri Dixit. Okay. Okay. Bhaiya, one thing you would want to change in your life and why? He wants his hair back. Let him answer. Okay.
Sometimes I want to do lot of things which I'm not able to do. मतलब जितना खुलना चाहता हूँ, एक्चुअल में मैं उतना खुल नहीं पाता हूँ.
moving on to one of the best moments and best person in his life, Ranjana Bhabhi. Being a married man myself, I know what spouse means. And we know what Bhabhi has meant to Bhaiya. So Bhaiya, tell us about the time you decided it was time to get hitched. What was the thought about getting married? What kind of person you wanted? और कितनी लड़कियां देखी भाभी से पहले?
नहीं, मैंने तो एक ही देखी.
अच्छा सब पापा ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया क्या पहले ही?
पापा के लेवल पे ही सब हो गया. मैं एक ही को देखा अपने लाइफ में. She was the second.
Really? मुझे तो लगा बहुत देखा है इसने.
How has marriage changed you as a person? For the better or for worse?
For the better.
How? Why do you say that?
मेरे जो क्लोथिंग के तरीके थे, मेरे जो फूडिंग हैबिट्स थे, उसको पूरा इसने आगे बदला है.
क्लोथिंग तो आई कैन टोटली अग्री. भाभी ने पूरा चेंज किया. कपड़े इसका तो विनय बैग का. चश्मा, मुस्टैच, क्लोथिंग, यस.
एवरीथिंग.
वाह, कितना तारीफ कर रहे हैं.
It goes to her.
Oh, wow.
क्या?
You also celebrated your silver jubilee and marriage anniversary last year. What would you like to say to Ranjana Bhabhi? Sing a song for her. अब तुम गाना अच्छा ही खाता है. तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स लोग बोल रहे हैं तो एक गाना भाभी को डेडिकेट करो.
चांद आहे भरेगा, फूल दिल थाम लेंगे. चांद आहे भरेगा, फूल दिल थाम लेंगे. हुस्न को सब तेरा नाम लेंगे. चांद आहे भरेगा.
Very good, very good.
Moving on to Rishabh and Rishika. Both are young adults today. Have they lived up to your expectations?
Yes, they are trying to, but a lot is expected from my son.
Rishabh, there's a message for you. Come here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really want him to join a good college and become more successful, better person than me.
Okay. What do you love about them?
They are very homely sort of people. They share everything, whatever they are doing. Directly or indirectly, I get to know.
Okay. How much of yourself and Bhabhi do you see in them?
Yeah. Mixture of that.
Mixture of it.
Who are you more closer to?
Okay, Bhabhi, whom are you more closer to? Of course. Now let's call Ranjana Bhabhi, Rishabh and Rishika. Okay, Ranjana Bhabhi, आ जाओ अब आप spot पे. Okay, Bhabhi, tell us what was your first impression of भैया? जब मिले थे first impression क्या?
remember now. I think I don't remember. भूलने की बीमारी तो है ही है.
जब first time मिले आपको देखा तो क्या लगा? मतलब
Yeah, I've forgotten that, you know. I met him for the first time and then after 18 or 21 days we met again. हाँ हो गया तो हम लोग दोनों एक दूसरे का चेहरा वेरा सब भूल ही गए थे. नहीं ये भी भूल गया था. Even he had forgotten. जब हाँ हुआ था उससे, we both had forgotten.
एक song dedicate करो भैया को.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा.
जितना अभी सुना पापा पहले और शैतानी था, अब एकदम सिंपल हो चुका है, तो वापस शैतानी थोड़ा तो हो.
वही तो मैं बोला, मैं बदलना चाहता हूँ, बदल नहीं पा रहा हूँ. खुल नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
आई थिंक आपको थोड़ा सा और बिगड़ जाना चाहिए अभी एट दिस पॉइंट. एंड प्लीज स्टार्ट स्लीपिंग लेट सो दैट यू कैन पिक मी at 2:30 a.m. from my friend's house.
So let us test how much Bhaiya knows Bhabhi, Rishabh, Rishika well. Which school did Bhabhi study in?
St. Agnes.
अरे वाह.
And what were her marks?
That I never asked. कभी सुना ही नहीं, कभी पूछा भी नहीं.
What did Bhabhi wear the first time you saw her? What did Bhabhi wear for the first time you saw her?
Sari.
Color.
But I think she didn't know how to wear a proper sari. The way she was walking with the sari, so I thought a lot of changes is required.
Bhabhi, you didn't know.
Where was your first date?
We used to have our good times at Roland Road. Roland Road was our area where I used to drive down, I used to park there, and we used to spend time there.
Okay, what is Rishabh's favorite food, Vinabhya?
Rishabh's favorite food? All the junk foods. All junk foods is his favorite food.
Who is Rishika's best friend?
She has many good friends.
Best friend.
Pallavi,
Yes.
one of them. Krishna.
What are the names of the Insta accounts? ये ज़्यादा हो गया क्या?
I never track them. I never track them.
अच्छा, you blocked them.
What is Bhabhi's favorite holiday destination?
Hill station. She doesn't like to go to sea beaches. She's
Oh.
afraid of water.
What is Rishabh's favorite sport?
He likes a lot of sport, watching football, cricket, all these are.
So name of the favorite team?
Who's Rishabh's?
कॉफी में करण है ना, क्वेश्चन तो पूछे. ठीक है.
How many times does Bhabhi speak to Rishika every day since she has gone to Singapore?
Once daily.
Once daily. Okay, what does the word Ranjana mean, Vinabhya? नहीं पता. What does the word Vinay mean? Vinay means Namrata. चलो.
And now for the most awaited part of Coffee with Karan, the rapid fire. And there is a hamper too. Tvesha, if you can please show the hamper. Remember, your answers have to be rapid and with the fire.
And I have a lie detector with me. If your answers are not rapid and with fire, then the hamper will be handed over to Ranjana Bhabhi. ठीक है?
A. Movies. B. Food. C. Mummy, Papa, Pinky Di, Anu, sisters. D. Business. E. Ranna Bhabhi, Rishabh, Rishika. F. Friends.
फूड तो चाहिए, चाहे मूवी देखो, चाहे इन लोग के साथ बैठो, किसी के साथ भी रहो.
ठीक है.
फादर मदर के साथ भी बैठ के फूड ही करो. खाना पहले.
Okay. If you woke up in the morning and turned into Ranjana Bhabhi, what would be the first thing you would do for Vinay Bhaiya? Okay, go to walk with you. Okay, fine.
If a movie was made on your life, what would be the title?
कुछ कुछ होता है.
If you were a food, which one would you like to be and why?
जलेबी.
Why? टेढ़ा है इसलिए?
Yes. स्वीट भी है और सबको राउंड 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 राउंड.
3 annoying things we don't know about you.
Yeah, one is snoring.
I snore a lot.
And
Yeah. I think about sometimes.
चलो ठीक है. Your favorite song, Vinabhya? फटाफट बोलो. Song.
चांद आहे भरेगा किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे.
Movie.
शोले.
Food.
क्लब कचौड़ी एंड
आलू की सब्जी. Time of the day. Which time of the day is favorite? Morning, afternoon, evening, night?
मॉर्निंग.
Restaurant. Which restaurant? Okay, and a person who is not a family member. A person who is not a family member. Favorite. Favorite person who is not a family member.
All my friends.
All your friends. Very good. Okay.
if you were given a chance to be born as someone, who would be and why? It cannot be any family member, some celebrity.
Maybe a sports person like Sachin Tendulkar, जो खूब नाम किया और
कमाई भी किया.
Okay, if you had a bucket list, what would be the top 3 items on that? Bucket list का top 3 अभी क्या करना है लाइफ में?
become successful.
Successful तो है मैंने भैया. More successful.
And it'll mange more. And like I am very much that sort of person who wants, I don't want to die unsung and unheard. I should know the entire society. There should be a lot of people who think about me. I want to feel that important.
You want to be very popular in life. Okay. One more you want to share? ठीक है.
Your biggest regret and your happiest moment.
Rapid.
Biggest regret, I didn't do bunking in my college classes.
That's a regret.
Now when I look back, I think maybe I would have lived my life somewhere else.
And your happiest moment?
I am happy with my mobile.
You